Introducing SwitchBot S10, a completely automated floor cleaning robot with an easy-to-install automatic water refill station. S10 can both vacuum and mop using two advanced stations. The first being our auto-empty station for hassle-free waste management, and then our pioneering water station. Think washing machine, but for your cleaning robot. S10's water station boasts the world's first plumbing-connected auto water refill and drain system. When finished mopping, S10 visits the water station, discards dirty water, and refills fresh water straight from your water supply, meaning no more manual refilling and tank cleaning. All you need to do is set, forget, and let S10 perform its magic. The water station is compact, with no power cables needed, making it versatile to place anywhere with a water supply. Installation can be done within minutes, with just 3 quick steps. As long as you have a dishwasher or washing machine at home, then S10 is 100% for you. Unlike models that clean their dirty mops after mopping, S10 adopts an internal self-cleaning roller mop. It cleans itself 300 times per minute while on the move, ensuring the mop is always clean when cleaning your floor and effectively prevents dirt from spreading around the house for better cleaning performance. When S10 detects carpet, its mop will retract inside, water stops, and it continues to dry by spinning and scrubbing. This helps you avoid contaminating your oh-so-precious carpet during the cleaning process. Once finished, S10 will return to the auto-empty station, dry its own mop, charge, and manage waste effortlessly. Also, with its 4-liter dust bag, you only need to take out the trash once every 70 days. So easy, right? S10 doesn't stop there. It also includes things you'd expect from a high-end robot vacuum. Using 6,500 Pascal suction power, be it carpet or hardwood, cleaning is effortless. And its advanced LiDAR navigation and AI obstacle avoidance ensure a meticulous clean every time. What's more, S10 can automatically refill. Wait, what? SwitchBot Humidifier? Yes, that's right. You'll no longer need to add water to your humidifier. S10 will do it for you. A multitasker in every sense.